Imagine waking up to the sound of your dream car revving outside, that feeling of freedom, the wind in your hair. But it all starts with a choice to hustle, to grind, to push through the tough days. Every penny saved, every hour worked, adds up. Picture this, a bank account that reflects your hard work. Money isn't just paper, it's the key to your dreams. And those dreams, they're worth chasing. So, what's stopping you? Take that first step today. Invest in yourself and watch the world open up.